So this one is the winner. So yeah, these are pretty loud. But they're not as loud as my alarm clock. And besides, these are older because they're wind up. There's a bell somewhere inside of it. They have just a big piece of plastic on the back. Sometimes that would be metal. It would be the bell. But this one is plastic, so there's actually a bell on the inside. So yeah, those are pretty cool. And they're pretty loud too. These are Baby Ben West clocks. One of them is older than the other, but yeah. I don't know which one is older. Yeah, I also have my flashlight on my phone because it's pretty dark in here. It's 8:38 p.m. But also the windows aren't open and stuff. So yeah, these are pretty cool clocks. When my flashlight is off, can't see a single thing. So this one has a higher pitch sound. They basically look exactly the same, except the one with the higher pitch sound, it's like this little thing. Yeah. They both have a soft ticking sound too.